How to use ask question feature on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million IDs YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use ask question features on Instagram. So let's get started. Let's go to Instagram application, and then after going to Instagram application, just click to the um, story features. I will just click a random picture here, and then you can see here a sticker icon on the top of your screen. So just click here. After clicking here, you can see here questions option. So just click on questions, and then you can see ask me a question, and just give a question mark, and then you can post here. You can send to, and then share it. Done. So this is how you can use the feature ask me a question. So let's see what's the, yeah, it is done. It is enabled to your Instagram application. So this is how you can use ask me question features on Instagram. Thanks for watching.